Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add XAUUSD in TradingView. Trying to track gold on TradingView and realizing it's not already on your list can feel like you're missing the main character of the market. What I usually do is open my chart and head over to the watchlist panel on the right side. From there, I hit the little plus icon, which lets me search for any symbol. I type in XAUUSD, and you'll notice a few versions pop up depending on the data source. I normally pick one from a well-known provider, but any reliable feed works. Once I click Add, it instantly shows up in my watch list, and from there, I can tap it to load the chart. It's that quick. Now I've got gold right alongside everything else I'm tracking. Quick tip, if you see multiple XAUUSD options, stick with one and stay consistent. Switching between providers can slightly change prices and mess with your analysis. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.